Understanding how Pigeonhole Live works will help you maximize engagement as you are moderating. Pigeonhole Live has a dedicated moderator panel where you can view questions and responses and manage interactions. From the moderator panel, select the Q&A sessions you are moderating from the agenda page. You will be shown all the approved questions for that session. You can customize your moderator panel by clicking on the settings panel on the top right-hand corner of the page. Under Advanced Settings, you will see Advanced Mode and ability to star questions. Advanced Mode allows you to mark questions as active and answered. Mark a question as active when you want to zoom into the question on the projector panel. This function helps the audience focus on the question that is being addressed at the moment. Once the question has been addressed, you can mark it as answered. This will remove the question from the moderator and projector panel to reduce clutter. The ability to star questions allows you to highlight questions on the question grid and stay organized as you moderate. These starred questions are only available for your view. Click on the star icon on each question grid to highlight questions you find interesting, relevant, or important to bring up to the panel. You can also sort your question view by votes, time posted, starred, or even by questions tagged to the different speakers from the options panel. To encourage better participation from the audience, we recommend that you actively address the questions submitted on Pigeonhole Live. This has been an instructional video from the folks at Pigeonhole Live. Happy discussions, and we'll see you soon.